Okay, angle addition postulate part 2. This side we're just going to do the same thing. It's still part plus part equals whole, but with algebra. So the measure of angle ABD plus the measure of angle DBC should equal the measure of angle ABC. Part plus part equals whole with some algebra. These, I'm pretty sure that's the same warm-up we just did. I mean, the same 2 questions we just did on the back. All right, algebra. If you want to try this whole thing, you go for it, and you can just check your answers at the end. If you want to follow along with me, that's fine too. Okay, so it wants us to find each measure, so we have to find x, and we have to find the angles that it's asking for over there on the right. So let's set up our equation first using part plus part equals whole. It does tell us that the measure of angle PQR is 141. PQR, that's the whole angle. So whatever these are, our 2 parts should add to this 141. So let's add them together. Parts, here's 1 part, plus part equals whole. Combine those like terms. 23x plus 3 equals 141. Subtract 138 divided by 23 is 6. X equals 6. Okay, so now let's just find the angles. It already gave us the whole angle, 141. It wants us to find PQS and SQR. So all you have to do is plug them in. PQS was that 13x, so 13 times 6 plus 4 is, let's see, 82. Okay. Then plug it into the other one. 10 times 6 minus 1 is 59. And remember, you could always double check your answers. Does 82 plus 59 equal 141? Yes, it does. I just checked my answer. So we're good. Part plus part equals whole. Next one. DEF. DEF, part or whole? That's the whole. Okay, so the whole thing. DEF is 7x plus 4. DEG, so is that a part or whole? DEG, that's a part. This is 5x plus 1. And then GEF, which is the other part, the smaller part of the angle, is 23. Set up part plus part equals whole. So 1 part of the angle is 5x plus 1. The other part is 23. The whole big angle is 7x plus 4. Combine those. Now remember, it's like a sorting game if you have variables on both sides. Sometimes it helps for people to draw a line. We want x on one side, everything else to the other. This is what I mean by draw a line. This helps some people. So I'm going to move, you can either move the 5x to the right or you can move the 7x to the left. I'm going to go this way. Just because. Okay, so negative 2x plus 24 equals 4. I have to get x by itself. So minus 24, negative 2x equals negative 20. Divided by 2, or negative 2 equals 10. X equals 10. Okay, and then again, it asks us to find the other angles as well. DEG, that was the 5x plus 1. So 5 times 10 plus 1 equals 51. And then DEF, which was the whole thing, DEF was the 7x plus 4. 7 times 10 plus 4 equals 74. And there you go. Last one. If you haven't tried any yet, definitely try this one on your own. I think you guys can do it. Figure out which ones are the parts, which ones are the whole. J, K, M, that's a part. MKL is a part. JKL is the whole thing. Part plus part equals whole. So take your two parts and add them together. Set it equal to the whole thing. Okay? 8x, I'm going to combine my like terms, plus 23 equals 10x minus 11. Take your x's to one side, so I'm going to subtract my 10x. I'll show you. Go the other way if you wanted to keep it positive. Does not matter. It'd be negative 33. Is that right? Yep, I think we get a decimal for this one. Hold on, what have I done? I'm so goofy. Okay. It's supposed to be 2x. I'm subtracting 23. That's my bad. You know what? My goodness. Start over from right here. Hold on. This was negative 2x equals negative 34. Good grief. Okay. 34 divided, or negative 34 divided by negative 2 is 17. Whew. Okay. And then we plug it in. MKL was that 8x. So 8 times 17 minus 20. Let's see, 8 times 17 minus 20. Should get 116 there. And then the other angle, JKL, was 10 times x minus 11. So 159 is the whole thing. And you could double check your answer there. So JKL is the whole thing. So if you took 159 minus the 116, it should give you that other part, which is 43. So I just checked my answer. I know I'm right. We're good. So, as always, make sure you are reaching out for help if you need help. There are many math teachers that would be willing to help you, or the sub can always help you as well. And I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day.